So I'm assuming then going back to what I learned in physics, there's some kind of emission that is happening from the actual product, some kind of wave or particle matter that you're catching, and then because if not the barcode, what else? Like from the uh, bottle it is contained in, or the product itself gives out some kind of wave that you're catching. Am I right?
So you're on the right track, actually. And I'm
Okay.
very glad you mentioned that. So the barcode, like I said before, has no information about the actual physical content, right? You would agree, right? I mean,
Yeah.
it's sort of a metadata. It's a description of the content, but
Yes.
it's not the direct information from the content itself. You would agree with that, right?
Yeah.
Right. So, which means that it is much easier for the attacker to swap it out or keep the existing barcode, but swap out the content itself. So that's what we wanted to solve. And so how do we do that is, I think, what you are asking. So, actually, what you mentioned is actually exactly on the right track. Um, we as computer scientists, we didn't know about what liquid is and how it's made of, right? We're not physicists. So we had to read up on a lot of physics, papers. Actually, my students actually went out and read a lot of physics papers on this. And it turns out that um, uh, in order for the state of the art that is happening now, right? Of course, as users, we go and purchase it from our local, grocery stores, but we trust the stores. But maybe when the government checks it or when the stores check it, what they do is they would actually do a spot check on some of these products, right? They would open the bottle, right? Physically open the bottle, take out some samples, and you send it to a lab, right? Government certified lab or
Yeah.
what. What they do is they would verify, coming back to what you were saying, they would verify the liquid properties of these products. Liquid
Mm-hmm.
properties being namely viscosity, surface tension, density, such as these things. There are more than these, but these were the three main things that determine what liquid this should be, right? So it's actually a simple problem. If we can somehow uh, accurately calculate the three properties that I just mentioned, viscosity, density, and surface tension, then it's an easy problem. We can actually determine whether this is a authentic product or not. The problem is with our smartphone cameras. So there's really two challenges here, right? We don't have the lab machine because who has that in their home, right?
Yeah.
And two, we cannot open the bottle, which means we can't, take out a sample, right? Because why? Because obviously, if you want to purchase this, especially on e-commerce, right? If you
Yeah.
break open like $1,000 wine, right?
Bottle. Yeah.
Currency value already is diminished, right?
Yeah.
So our challenge was really these two things. One, we would want to replace the lab, you know, machine with our smartphone. That everybody, why
Mm-hmm.
smartphone? Because everybody has it, right? And two, we couldn't open the bottle. So what we were left with is really just taking a camera image or video of the outskirts of the bottle, right?